Did you know that eating a variety of colorful vegetables can actually boost your mood? Research shows that the nutrients in veggies can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. In addition to lifting our mood, these nutrient-packed powerhouses support everything from heart health to improved digestion. So, if you're looking to improve your diet and feel your best, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the top 6 must-have vegetables for a healthier you. Each one is carefully chosen, not only for its unique health benefits, but also for its versatility in everyday meals. Stick around, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to add to your grocery list to get the most out of your veggies. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green that deserves a place on everyone's plate. Known for being rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C, spinach plays a crucial role in supporting bone health, boosting immunity, and improving blood circulation. The antioxidants in spinach, like lutein and zeaxanthin, are excellent for eye health, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Spinach is also an incredible source of folate, a nutrient that supports cell function and tissue growth, making it ideal for everyone, from seniors to young adults. Try adding spinach to scrambled eggs for a quick breakfast boost, blending it into smoothies for an extra nutrient punch, or sautéing it with garlic and olive oil for a simple yet tasty side. For the most nutrients, opt for fresh or lightly cooked spinach instead of canned. Number 2. Bell peppers. Bell peppers come in a variety of vibrant colors: red, yellow, green, and orange, each packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Red bell peppers, for example, are rich in vitamin C, providing over 150% of your daily requirement in just one serving. This powerful antioxidant supports the immune system, promotes collagen production, and even aids in skin health. Bell peppers are also a great source of fiber, which helps with digestion, and vitamin B6, which plays a role in energy production and brain health. Their natural sweetness makes them an easy addition to salads, stir-fries, and even raw with a dip for a quick snack. Try roasting bell peppers with a bit of olive oil to bring out their sweetness, or chopping them into salsa for a fresh, colorful boost. No matter how you enjoy them, bell peppers are a flavorful way to enhance any dish. Number 3. Carrots. Carrots are well known for their high beta-carotene content, which the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for maintaining healthy vision, immune function, and skin. Besides being great for eye health, carrots are also packed with antioxidants that help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. They're rich in potassium, which supports healthy blood pressure, and vitamin K1, which is vital for bone health. Their natural sweetness and crunch make them a versatile choice. You can eat them raw as a snack, roast them for a caramelized flavor, or even blend them into soups. Try grating carrots into a salad, or blending them into a morning juice for an extra nutrient kick. Carrots are an excellent way to add both color and health benefits to your meals. Number 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that's loaded with vitamin C and K, fiber, and powerful antioxidants. One of the standout compounds in broccoli is sulforaphane, known for its potential cancer-fighting properties and anti-inflammatory effects. Regularly consuming broccoli can also improve heart health, aid in digestion, and support bone health. With its fiber content, broccoli helps promote a healthy gut and may reduce cholesterol levels. You can enjoy broccoli steamed, roasted, or in soups. To retain its nutrients, try steaming it lightly rather than boiling. Broccoli's subtle, earthy flavor and satisfying texture make it a great addition to almost any dish. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense root vegetable that provides fiber, potassium, and beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in the body. This vitamin A boost supports vision and immune health. Additionally, sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates, offering a steady supply of energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Sweet potatoes are also high in manganese, which supports bone health and helps the body process carbohydrates and fats. They can be enjoyed in a variety of ways: roasted, mashed, or even made into healthy fries. The natural sweetness of this vegetable adds flavor and color to meals, making it an easy choice for a nutritious side dish. Number 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its heart health and anti-cancer properties. Lycopene is more bioavailable when tomatoes are cooked, so sauces, soups, and roasted tomatoes are excellent options. Besides lycopene, tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and folate. These nutrients support immune health, help manage blood pressure, and promote healthy skin. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed raw in salads, blended into salsas, or cooked into sauces. Try adding roasted tomatoes to a pasta dish, or blending them with spices for a homemade tomato soup. Adding tomatoes to your diet is an easy way to boost nutrient intake with each meal. And that wraps up our list of the top 6 must-have vegetables that can make a huge difference in your health. Adding these nutrient-rich foods to your meals can be a simple yet powerful way to support your health goals. Remember, variety is key. Try to include as many colors and types as you can throughout the week to reap a wider range of health benefits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use some veggie inspiration, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to live a healthier life. Drop a comment below with your favorite vegetable, or let us know if you're planning to add any of these to your next meal. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you.